Alright, I'm going to take off my regular lens, the GoPro, and put that fisheye lens on just to show you what I was talking about. Putting it on correctly, pushing it down, giving it a twist, and that is not locked in any way, shape, or form. See that? Super, super loose. Now, I sent the company a message. They're sending me a replacement, and they sent me an email, and because I didn't reply within the 24-hour period, they sent me another one. I thought it was kind of pesky. I work on my own schedule, not theirs. But hopefully the replacement will be better than this one. Hear that? That's just mad crazy. So this is a GoPro 9. Now this lens works with the 10 and 11. I have another one from another company, and I'll be doing the comparison once I get the good lens in, or if it sucks just as bad as that. And this totally avoid the waterproof, and that's really bad. But just so you know, don't use this underwater with this lens from this particular company. Now, it could have been a bad manufacturer's defect, so be it. But I don't know if it's loose in here or what. Once I get the other one in, I will compare and I'll let you know, alright? Now, normally I'd be doing this on the GoPro, but I only own one. Alright? And funny story is, even this broke already. So I was like, no win from this company at the moment. But could have been just, you know, random circumstance that I just got the short end of the stick. Alright, folks, but this is what you get. Alright, so like, share, subscribe. Kettle Black Arts. Take care, people. I'll let you know and do an updated video soon. How y'all doing today? My name's Tony. Together, my wife and I, we run Kettle Black Arts. And now, we ordered a fisheye lens from a company called BGNing, and it was very, very loose fitting and very sloppy. So they sent me a replacement, and they did it very kindly, no hassle, and they gave great customer service, so don't bash them on that. Let's just see the quality of their product. So I'm going to open their product right now. So this is my second opening video for this. But, question is it going to be better quality than the other one was? So let's hope. But that'll have to be in another video, or I'm recording on the GoPro right now. So after that, I'll hook it up and hope for the best. So, really nice. They included a cleaning cloth. Small, nice, simple, totally okay. Alright. Plastic bag. The box is nice. Now this will totally come apart and turn into junk within days, no matter who you get it from, so it's not their fault. It's just the quality plastic that's made in the world today. But this looks good. I'm looking at that. Looks nice and clean inside there. As you can see, you're going to attach it to the GoPro. You're going to jam it in there, give it the appropriate twist, and there should be no play whatsoever. And you don't want to void the warranty on the GoPro, because you don't want to void the waterproof. Because I'd like to see recording some fish or underwater things with a fisheye lens. I think would be cool, because, you know, fisheye lens, right? So here it is now. This is what it looks like. The complete replacement for my lens. So I'm going to hope for the best. I'm going to keep it totally wrapped up in the cloth so I know which one it is. And we'll let you know in a little bit. Alright, folks, you take care. Like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Take care, man. Alrighty, so here's the regular GoPro lens. Takes a bit of work, but you can remove it with a little bit of finesse. Comes off really nice, right? Bada bing, bada boom. Now here's the fisheye lens I got from a company called Brand 214 or Brand 214. This is the GoPro Max lens mod, which you get from GoPro. This is the first BGNing fisheye lens I got, which is super loose. So we're going to show you that because they said, you know, they wanted to see. You can see it goes on real quick. Now listen. And I got my fingers on that, so it's not them. That's the actual lens shaking because it's so loose. Alright, and I apologize if it's not showing the camera. And this cracked, so no matter what you get, you're going to have to just throw that out, and I wrap it in that. So, they were kind enough to send a replacement without any hassle. So I give them props for that. They were doing what customer service should do. So they just have to go back and do quality control. Now I'm putting on this new one. Same issue. Alright? But it'll still function, I hope, as the 360, or excuse me, as a fisheye lens, which is pretty cool because I've done some videos. Now here's the other one from, again, the company called Brand 214. Oh yeah, this one locks right in, rock solid. I would trust the waterproof on this one. These two I would not. Totally void the water warranty on your GoPro and your SOL. But this one, that sound was brought to you by silence because this one didn't make the noise. Now this one is rock solid, man. So hook up with the company Brand 214, or at least let BGNing go back and redo their lens, because I have faith in them. It's just I got two bad quality products from them, so I'll just get my money back. So props to them for following through on the customer service. Now I just hope I get my money back without any hassle. Alright, so check this one out. Check out my YouTube videos, and you'll see what I'm talking about. Now this is the GoPro Max lens mod. You can get the same effect to a point as the fisheye lens, but it's a little wider and not so fisheye-y. You'll get it once you see the videos. Alright? But I just wanted to show you the difference and to show you that I have all these to compare. So really, like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave questions, comments, whatever you want, and I'll do the best I can to get back to you. Alright friends, you take care. We'll see you soon.